Hi, this is Vinith David, Assistant Professor of B-Spine, SNS Institution. Yes, today we are going to look into the topic called project management. So what is this project management? Project management is an application of processes, method, skills, knowledge and experience to achieve a specific project objectives according to the project acceptance criteria within agreed parameters. So, project management is a final deliverable that are constrained to a finite time, time scale and budget too. So, yes, what is a project management? Initiation. Define the project objectives, scope, and key stakeholders. We should define what is this project and what are all the objectives that we are going to face in this project and what is the scope and who are all the key stakeholders. So that is the main thing, first thing that we are going to do in a project. Planning. Developing a detailed plan to achieve the project goals. So we should plan for the project in the criteria of resource persons first. So how many persons are required to complete this project? To know this, we need to break down this project as into different tasks. So we need to segregate this process as like finance and what are all the things which is required for this project which should be breakdown. So on that sort of time we can come to a conclusion what are all the things that we need for this project. So we need to plan accordingly. So we need to plan for the resource persons, we need to plan for the skills which is required to complete this project, and we need to plan for the person like tools which is required for this to complete this project, and how much time would it take to complete this project is also a most important thing to know about, to plan for the project. So execution, implementing the plan and managing the project team. So as per the plan which is made before starting the work, we should implement it and see the results how it is going off. If is there any constraints or like barriers are rising in the between the plan, then we need to change the plans accordingly. The project management process. Initiation. So define the project's objectives, scope and key stakeholders. Planning. Develop a detailed plan to achieve this project and goals. Execution. Implementing the plan and managing the project team. So yes, project initiation. Define the project. Clear, articulate the project purpose, goal and expected outcomes. So we should be clear about the purpose of doing this project and what is the goal to be achieved in this project and what is the outcome that should be given in this project. So everything should be clearly defined before starting this project. So identifying the stakeholders, determine the key individuals or groups who will be affected by the project. So we should know that, because by working on this project without knowing who are all the stakeholders will not give us a perfect way to continue with the project. So we need to know who are all the stakeholders and we need to take feedbacks from them to improve this project. So we need to identify who are all the peoples that we should identify of. Developing a business case. Justify the project value and ensure it aligns with the organization strategic objectives. So yes, project planning. Schedule. Develop a detailed timeline for project activities and milestones. Yes, this time management is more important for a project. We should allocate the task in a period of times. So yes, if the project contains like 6 long months to complete off, we should first schedule the projects accordingly from 0 to 1 or 10 to 0. So yes, after scheduling it, we need to break down into the project task which is manageable for the employees, and we should allocate to the peoples on a particular day task or monthly task or like weekly task. So whatever it is required for the projects. Budget. Estimate and allocate the financial resources to complete the project. So, how much money is required to complete a project? How much financially we are eligible to complete this project? Will the cost will rise in the mid of the project or not? Everything should be calculated previously before starting this project. Risk management. Identify, analyze, and plan for potential risk that could impact the project. We should identify the risk. So we do have like a lot of barriers. Human errors may occur. Like people may take leaves, so the tool may get error. Everything should be analyzed before, and there should be alternative plans for it also. Resource planning. Determine the human resource and skill needed to execute the project. Yes, identifying a perfect employee, or like identifying the perfect skill or a talent to make the project successful is more important. So if a person is an intermediator who can train himself in it, is a possible way also. If a person is expertise in a process which he is going to do, then it is well good to make a project in a successful way. So yes, that is all for the video now. Thank you.